Hey traders from all over the world, this is Jerremy Alexander Newsome here in the backyard, the rose garden of house and Captain Angie Barbosa in beautiful Sacramento, California. Got my shades on because it is bright outside. It is bright, like the future of trading. So I know what some of you might be thinking. Seriously, how to lose $1 million? I don't want to learn how to lose $1 million. I get it. I understand. When I was a younger trader a few years ago, I had a mentor, and she was really stressing the importance of risk mitigation. She was telling me how important protecting capital was and using stops and all that kind of good stuff. I just didn't really understand it. As a new trader, as most traders do, I was asking the question, how can I make $1 million? And she said, Jerremy, it's not really about making $1 million, it's about protecting $1 million. And I said, why is that? And she gave me a challenge, and here's a challenge I would love to give to you guys if you want to take me up on it. It's a really interesting challenge. But create a virtual account with fake money and see how quickly you can lose $1 million. See how fast you can lose it. I did this, and in about 2-3 months, I actually gained money. I made money. Trying to lose it, I made it, which was also kind of an interesting realization in of itself. I talked to her again, and she was like, all right, well, keep trying. And then I lost $100,000, and I lost $300,000. And long story short, I was up able to lose that $1 million. And then something started clicking. I started thinking about other strategies out there that people use, and other really advanced strategies or really intensive option strategies. And here's the interesting thing at this particular point in time, ladies and gentlemen. I know how to lose effectively $1 million in about 8 to 9 seconds in the stock market. 8 to 9 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, using options that expire on expiration day, buying them out of the money and just holding them until they go worthless just a few seconds later. That's a fascinating thing to learn. Losing. You're able to lose $1 million in the stock market in a few seconds. That should be a really interesting warning signal, warning sign, wake-up call for a lot of traders out there because, again, it's not about making money. It's about protecting money. If you can lose that much money that quickly, right? Once you lose $1 million and you're at zero, it's gone. You're not getting that back. You're not able to call up your mom and say, ha, I was just kidding, Mom. No, you can't do that. It is gone. It is in someone else's pocket. The reason that is so important is because as traders, risk mitigation is key. Having stops is an absolutely important asset to trading. Stops are a good thing. Stops are not a bad thing. A lot of traders, they get upset when they get stopped out. They get upset when they lose money. Losing money on a trade is a certainty in the stock market. Getting stopped out on trades is a certainty in the stock market. If you can be certain that these things will happen, it will help you in your trading, because if you can go in knowing they're going to happen, there's no reason to be upset or be afraid of knowing what is going to happen in the market. It's all about, if you're having the certainty, if you need certainty, if you require certainty in your trading, create a plan and be certain that the stock market will move, be certain the stock market will stop you out, that you will lose money on some trades, but you got to protect yourself. In 2015, I went over through my results, and through all of our day trading, I had a 43% win-loss ratio, yet we still made over 100% growth in our day trading account in 2015 in our day trading room. 43% win-loss ratio, ladies and gentlemen, protecting your risk, losing small, because again, you can lose $1 million very easily. So if it's so simple to lose $1 million, it's obviously not that easy to make $1 million. Protection and risk mitigation is key. And if the stock market is going to do in 2016 what it looks like it very well could do, stops are going to be even more of a need for my longer term traders. Learning how to protect yourself with protective puts, buying stock insurance, whatever the case is going to be, make sure you protect yourself, because, ladies and gentlemen, there might be a storm coming, and I want to make sure we all have our umbrellas. Want to make sure that we are protected from the rain. So regardless, ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate it as always. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel above. If you have any questions, you can email me anytime, jeremy@reallifetrading.com. Just want to say thanks again for being a real life trader. Thanks for watching this video. Have a fantastic trading year, month, day, week, quarter, life. I'll see you guys around.